Hey everyone, this will be an unboxing quick look here at the P9. I think these are wireless headphones. These were part of an Amazon mystery box my brother got from a random website. These had plastic over them. I already took that off. But yeah, so here we go. There is some stuff if you want to see it. There's really nothing else on here. Okay, there's some paperwork in there. I was gonna say there's no charger. Micro USB charger. A lot of these things have micro USB chargers apparently. So that is a color. That is silver. And that looks like it's on a chip off incredibly easy. They do swivel, so that's pretty cool. You have them against you or whatever. This is plastic. Just plastic. No nice softness up top here for your head, for your noggin. I think these are pretty cheap. These feel incredibly cheap. They swivel incredibly cheaply. I don't think they really, no, they're not supposed to bend. The padding feels okay, I will say that. So we do have, looks like a head, or aux, I guess it'd be aux, right, not headphone. Aux, which I guess is a headphone. Anyway, aux, USB, it looks like a mic right here. Interesting. There's that card slot thing it's talking about. Then we have, that is so incredibly shiny I can't even see what that is. I'll be right back. That is so hard to read I can barely read it. So that is your on or power button. Then we have, looks like play or take a phone call, I believe is what that is. Then one of these is a plus, one of these is a minus, one's a go forward, one is go back. Which seems kind of weird to have buttons for both of those, because I think you hit the, maybe me push and hold it in order to do skip or go back, be my guess. Okay, I was gonna say, I think the length you get is what you get. Well, almost. Alright, so I don't have a good way of showing off how these things sound. Let me tell you, they do not sound good. For instance, we also got these really cool headphones, which are from Lenovo. Not headphones. Other headphones built into these sunglasses is what I'm trying to say. These actually almost sound better than these do, which is not really saying good thing about either of these. Neither of these sound really good. But this actually almost sounds better than this does. These are not good headphones. These sound terrible. These would give you probably the biggest migraine of your life if you listen to them loudly and for too long. I listened to them for like a minute, and I think I already have a headache going on here. Not great. These are not great. They're not comfortable. I do not have big ears whatsoever. These are too small for my ears. They're kind of like smushing it. You don't have a whole lot of room here, and it's just bad. Yeah, these are definitely for maybe kids. Maybe kids would be okay with them. And then this is really bad too. It's just plastic. Like, how terrible is that? Let me know what your thoughts are. These would not be my go-to choice by any means. I would say go get a cheaper name brand and stay away from these. That's my thought. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.